caravan video. Now we've just got back from Thornwick Bay. We got back yesterday. Today's the 26th of May, and we went out on Easter Monday, which was nearly 5 weeks ago. And it's long as we've had a caravan on the pitch, and obviously, you know, over that nearly 5 weeks we've had a few issues with it that need dealing with, so I'll take you through them all in turn. I'll start with the biggest problem, and unfortunately I won't be dealing with it on this particular video. Now, in a couple of places, I think somewhere around about there, it's a bit hard to show you through these mats. I think around about here the floor feels a bit spongy, so that's going to be the biggest job, and I'll be showing that in a future video. So I'll show you the other problems we have. Now, during the time we had the caravan out there, we let a family member use it, and unfortunately this has happened. Now, it's not as bad as it looks, it's just stitching's just come out, so it's just a matter of stitching it back up. And my partner's going to do this, and she's going to do it off camera. She doesn't want to appear on video, so I'll show you that when that's been done. And to do that repair, I bought some thread and a set of suitable needles, because normal sewing needles aren't going to do it on this. Got these from the local Asda. I don't know if I can put a link in the description, but you can find them in your local Asda superstore. So I'll get my partner to stitch that up, and the others, if we find out else with stitching coming out, we'll deal with that as well. Okay, another problem we had was this came off, and I think it's just pulled the screws out. I think that might be one of them, but we'll see if we can. Unfortunately, it looks like, if you can tell from there, it looks like it may have split, so we might need to reinforce that, you know, like some strong adhesive or such like. And these screws don't seem to cut it here. That says but there's only one screw found, so it might have been just hanging on by one screw. Anyway, we'll deal with that later on, but that's the problem. Should be just a matter of screwing it back in, maybe reinforcing with some Gorilla Glue or something. We're outside the caravan, and the other problem is this: the drain for the hot water heater. It's been weeping. Anyway, as soon as I took the drain plug off, someone found out what the problem was. Still a bit of water in it, and I drained it down before I left site. As you can see, there's no O-ring, so no wonder it's leaking. But that should be an easy enough fix, and I'll get back in the caravan and I'll show you why. Well, here's our drain plug. I'll just measure it where the O-ring goes in. Let's have a look. Okay, so I've got the calipers on, and it's just over 19mm. So let's see what we've got in here that will fit. Let's have a look. 19. I'm not sure which 19 mils. Right, these look like the 19mm O-rings. So 19 by 3mm. Right, we'll just get one out, see if it fits. So we'll just test that. No, it's a bit too. Well, if anything, it does look too big. Yeah, it's definitely wrong size, whatever that is. So we'll just. No, they're definitely not 19mm. Just follow it in box, and obviously they're a bit bigger. So there's a 19mm by 2.5 or 19mm by 3. So let's see if we can measure thickness. Might be a bit difficult. I'll just have to see how it goes. Let's have a look. Do it by sight. So Yeah, I'll see if I can find anything suitable in here. Let's just try them each in turn and see how it goes. That seems a bit small. These look a bit too big. Must be something that'll fit anyway. We'll try one of these. With these, you've got to be careful not to tear them. All right, I think we've just found one that fits. So we'll go outside and we'll fit it back and see if that's worked. Okay, back outside the caravan. Got the plug with the O-ring on. And just have a quick look, make sure O-ring's not been trapped inside. I don't think it has. Yeah. So I'll just tighten that up. It's only a bit of a residual noise. It doesn't help when it's raining. So what we'll do is we'll see if we can fill up the hot water heater. I need to connect the gas, just make sure it's all working. When I've done that, I'll get back to you. Right, I've hooked everything up. I've hooked up water supply, it's connected gas, and I've done mains electric, and I think it might have done the trick. It's a bit hard to tell when it's raining, but it's definitely not weeping like it was before, so I'm going to call that one a fix. Right, I think it's just a matter of screwing these back in. We've only got one screw, so I've hunted around in the garage to see if I've got anything suitable of that size, and we'll get this put back on. Now onto this this support. Now to make it easy for me, I managed to pull all this out, so I'm not going to work from underneath and struggle. Now I managed to find some more screws. Now these ones they look a bit thicker, so they might just bite a bit better, but for a bit of added strength I'm going to stick some Gorilla Glue on it. See if that'll help. So first thing I need to do is we'll just get a bit of Gorilla Glue, get some down these screw holes as well. Get all the smear of Gorilla Glue. Go watch this stuff, because it gets on your hands. It takes absolutely ages to come off. This stuff will stick anything to anything. We need all the help we can get. So just grab my screwdriver. We'll start in the middle. Get this middle all lined up. Right, get that one started. And get the other two started. So these screws should have a bit more bite to them. They look a bit longer, just hope they don't go through at the other end, but we'll deal with that if it comes to it. Right, so that's just 3 screws started, so get them tightened up. Right, anyway, we'll leave that like that. Leave the glue to set before we put it all back. Okay, so this is the result. My partner has stitched up. It's not perfect, but it doesn't matter. It's a lot better than it was before, and it won't be visible where it is, so we can get that put back on, and then I can get this caravan back into the storage yard. I'm going to wrap it up for this particular video. We've got 3 things fixed, and the spongy floor will be dealt with in a future video. Hope you enjoyed this particular video. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. Questions and comments, you might put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.